Case name Ajay and age is 23 years and today date is 26th of August 2024. Ajay, want speech sample before treatment. What problem we are facing where you stay?
Actually, currently I'm now in Canada and I'm facing a high pitch problem. Like I have a girlish voice when I talk on phone calls. So some people always told me your voice is looking like a girl's. So it was a very embarrassing moment when I tried to talk with others. So that's why I want to take the treatment of this voice. That's why I have contacted you.
Post therapy video of Ajay and today date is 23rd of September 2024. So Ajay, I want speech sample after the voice therapy. In fact, online voice therapy. What was the problem? How do you feel and where you stay?
Actually, sir, before I have a like purphonia problem, like I have a high pitch voice. Like when I used to talk with the other people, my voice is coming like a girlish voice. So I feel very embarrassed. So after that, I decided to take the online treatment. So after the online treatment, I saw a lot of changes in my voice,
Why you
and now
decided to take? Yeah, why you decided to take online voice therapy?
because currently I'm in Canada, I was not able to visit the India because currently I am here doing my studies, so it's very difficult for me to travel to India because I was unable to visit the center physically. That's why I
Okay.
decided to do this.
So how this new voice has helped you recently in your job interview after the treatment?
This new voice, like it boosts my confidence. Like
Mm-hmm.
now when I used to talk with the others, they always said your voice is looking like a man voice, and they give like good comments. And I also called a lot of my friends, and some of my friends said like, who is talking on this phone, and even they are not recognizing me properly. When I after that when I make a video call, then they are able to recognize me, uh, recognize me easily.
Okay, so you are at presently in Canada, but where is your native place in India?
Like I'm in India, I'm basically from Punjab,
In Punjab,
so
which place you are?
I'm from Hoshiarpur.
Okay, so can you tell in your mother tongue what was the problem and how do you feel after the online voice therapy? And just for information, I'm telling those who are watching, our center is in Bangalore and yeah, in
Okay.
India. Continue.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਏਦਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਏਦਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਬਰੀਕ ਨਿਕਲਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਬੜੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਨਾ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਮੇਰੀ ਫਟਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਬਰੀਕ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਗਰਲ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੀਗੀ ਸੋ ਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਬੜਾ ਨਾ ਐਮਬੈਰਸ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਦੇਖੀ YouTube ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਟ੍ਰੀਟਮੈਂਟ ਲਿਆ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੁਣ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੌਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਚੇਂਜਿਸ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਆ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ
तो
ਬਾਅਦ
क्या मैं और कुछ कहना चाह रहे थे?
ਜੋ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਚੇਂਜਿਸ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਡ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਵੌਇਸ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਮੈਨ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਤੂੰ ਨਾ ਇੰਪਰੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਦਿਸਦੀ ਪਈ ਆ ਕਾਫੀ ਇੰਪਰੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਆ ਗਈ ਆ
So thanks for showing faith in us. You are in Canada and our center is in Bangalore. Still, you have shown faith in us, and your voice has been changed. And you are happy, and your family members are also happy. I'm also very happy for you. So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to the right place?
Yes, sir, you can use.
So those who are watching this video, my request is please share this video so that people having this problem can get hope and motivation. Thank you so much. Thanks, Ajay, and thanks for watching. Those who are watching this at our social media pages. Thank you so much.